Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. It's time to get this mill going. You saw me last week, I did that little oak. Well, I don't have a little log this time. I have it's virtually 10 foot. It's just a couple inches short of 10 foot, 24-inch diameter beech. This is heavy. My tractor barely picked it up. I'm definitely going to have to roll this with, my turning method I use with the tractor and some straps. But I've not really played with the auto controls much, so this is going to be the first big test for all my new controls. But it was a long winter here. We are in the first week of April, and this is one of our first nice days. It's in the 40s. I did break out the Carhartt. One of you actually just asked me about this old jacket. What's the story behind it? This Carhartt, this old jacket's about 30 years old. It started falling apart, so I really liked it. I cut the butt off, the back, and made some pockets, new pockets, and I put the pant legs for sleeves. I don't like throwing things away if I don't have to. Use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. I think is how the old saying goes from World War II or whenever that came out. So, I'm going to wear it out. And we're going to try to wear out the mill today too. I'm only doing one of these. I have about 2,000 board feet, maybe a little bit more than that for a customer. He wants all 1x material in whatever size they come off. So this is 24. So we're going to get about a 17-inch cant, 16, 17-inch cant, maybe 18 if I leave a little waning on it. And so I have all this beech. I have a pile of oak and maples over there. So we're going to get this going. So guys, the mill is fired up. I think we're ready to get this going. Next thing, cut. So we're going to put this mill in hot rod mode. Son of a beech, this is big. I've never milled beech, so I'm really interested to see what it looks like. Feels really hard. So I got a brand new Ripper 37 7-degree blade on this thing. Never been sharpened. I cut that little oak log you saw me last week because that's the only thing that's cut so far. So we're going to get this going. Let's get this mill in its position. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Ear protection. That color is amazing, guys. I love it. I've never milled beech. what a yield, guys. We ended up getting 16 1x17 inch Beech boards for this gentleman. I have a bunch more to do for him. Different varieties, beech, oak, and some maple, maybe even some sassafras I think I see in there. Turned out well. I'm really happy with it. Hopefully he should be happy with it too. You know, these big logs take a lot of work, and I have a really big one on the mill tomorrow. I'll film that one as well. My boy's going to come tomorrow and help me. So that's going to do it, guys. Oh, something I've been meaning to ask you. Back this winter, I was able to study and pass my technician's exam for my ham radio operator. My call sign is Kilo Echo 8 Whiskey Papa Alpha. I'm not real smooth with it yet. So it's KE8WPA. Any of you ham radio operators, most of you are my age. 80% of my demographics are 45 and older, and 50% of you are 50 and over. So I suspect maybe a couple of you are ham radio operators. Drop your call sign in the comments below. I'm looking for an Elmer. Right now all I have is a Anytone handheld, and it's 2 meter and 70 centimeters. It gets me, I can get to the repeater. The local repeater is about 5 miles away. I can reach that, and then I can get on there. So I'm looking for another radio, maybe something, quad band maybe, something I can build a little ham shack out of. So let me know, guys. I'm looking for an Elmer, somebody to help me out. I know I'm running out of storage and I'm running out of batteries, guys. So take care. We'll see you at the mill next time. Have a great day.